Hello students, this is the question from DMGT. Okay, so they have given a graph, complete graph, okay, complete and connected graph, and the number of articulation points and bridges we have to find out. Okay, so this articulation point is very important. This term can come in the DSA also, but mostly because the graph have come, connected graph has been given, so basically it is related to DMGT. Okay, so what do you mean by articulation points first? So whenever if you remove a point from a connected graph such that makes that by the removal of that point that graph becomes uh, like disconnected. Okay, so if it become disconnected by removing that particular point, so then that point is called as an articulation point. Okay, so the point in the connected graph whose removal will make the graph disconnected. Okay, so that will be called as the articulation point. And what will be the bridges? Bridges will be the edge. If the removal of that particular edge make the graph disconnected, then it is called as a bridge. Okay, so what is the graph given here is, graph is something like this. So this is the connected graph they have given, right? So this is the graph. So we can find out the articulation points. Wait, I will mark with some other color. See, these are three graphs. Okay, this is one graph. So three graphs are connected by these 3 points, 1, 2 and 3. So if you remove this point and this point, this graphs will become disconnected. Okay, so 3 here itself. Now you can do one more thing. Okay, so this is also a part of, for this particular graph, if you remove this point, then this edge will go, right? As this edge will go, this point also will go, so this will also make the graph disconnected. So there are 4 articulation points. Okay, now if you calculate the bridges, so these two are connected, right? So if you remove this part and this part, so this will become disconnected. Similarly, if you remove this part also, okay, so this part, if this part is removed, then this total graph will become disconnected. Okay, so bridges are how much? Bridges are 3. You check for the other points. If you remove this part, if you remove this node, whether this will become disconnected. See, you can reach this node by this way, like this, and this way also. So this is not articulation. Similarly, not these points. Similarly, these points are not at all a articulation point, and similarly all these 3 points. So we have 4 articulation points and 3 bridges. Bridges are 3. Okay, so answer will be 4, 3. So answer is C. Thank you.